And Target 7 told you about the state's plans to add hundreds of hospital beds. So today, we looked at data that suggests there might be a bigger problem, though, that the state will be forced to address. Action 7 News anchor Doug Fernandez joins us live with more. Doug.
Shelby, April 21st is a day that experts believe our state will reach its peak number of coronavirus cases. So does New Mexico have everything it needs? Well, today, Target 7 went through the same data the president is using to find out.
This chart, developed by researchers at the University of Washington, shows when the coronavirus hits the peak in New Mexico, we will have more than enough hospital beds. The purple curve is well below the line that shows the state's capacity. But what about ICU beds? This shows the state is about 130 beds short of what it needs.
The data is very concerning.
Experts say there is an even bigger problem. New Mexico will need 210 more ventilators at the peak of the pandemic here.
There are plenty of beds, but they're not ICU beds. But anything could be an ICU bed, any bed. But what you need is a ventilator. If you don't have a ventilator, then there are problems.
These are the same numbers the president has been citing in his daily briefings, but the numbers from the governor's office are more alarming. It shows our state needs about 1,600 ICU beds and 1,000 ventilators.
The doctors in the city who are intensive care people are really planning for this, and there will come a time when we are in a crunch situation where we don't have enough ventilators, and that's the greatest concern right now.
Mayor Keller says he has been looking at the same numbers and is offering solutions to the bed and ventilator shortage.
The issue is really depending on how the Department of Health and hospitals want to work it. It's moving folks out of other hospital beds so that they can convert those to ICU, and then these new areas can be used for non-ICU facilities.
One idea, opening the Albuquerque Convention Center for additional beds. And documents obtained by Target 7 show the Army Corps of Engineers plans to add 20 ICU beds to this facility on Gibson.
And the governor says she's in a bidding war with other states to buy more ventilators. Well, good news. Late this afternoon, they placed an order for 1,000 of them from FEMA. Reporting live, Doug Fernandez, KOAT, Action 7 News.
And nationally, experts predict that 29,000 more ICU beds are needed, along with 25,000 ventilators.